Well, you know, if you don't want it to disconnect, you gotta keep up, right? Dude, Kevin, the last like 4 fucking times I rode with him, I can't keep up. I don't know what the fuck's gotten into him. Yeah, he's stopping in the middle. Yeah, I think you missed it. Yeah, that's gonna be so funny on video, Kevin. Yo, we'll catch you. Hi, Dad. All right, well. Yeah, I saw where it went, bro. It's in the middle of the fucking road. It was like that. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Hi guys. Oh yeah, you're good. I mean, it's towards the lower line, but it's definitely above it. It's in that window. It's between them. Yes.
Yeah, I thought it was because of the mountain.
I mean, you could definitely add a little more in it.
Is it around good?
Yeah, I'll check it. How's mine?
Oh, now I got Kevin paranoid.
Yeah, yours is definitely good. We will probably only run that one time, dude, because it's like 10:20, 10:30, I think. Dude, if you lose me, you gotta push it. Because if I do it, I'm gonna disconnect from him, just like he was doing to get back in. Because I'm like the base one, dude. So just push it once.
You should just press it once. I pressed it.
Well, mine's not on yet. There. You on? Stop fucking with me, dude. I'm trying to help you out. Yeah, if you lose us, just push it once and it'll reconnect. Unless I'm stuck. Unless I'm stuck behind a truck and you guys don't fucking wait for me, then you might go out of range. Music. This rain better fucking stop like right now.
Oh shit, I almost dropped it.
Make sure you put the kickstand down first. I know you're cold and all. Yeah, he's just like... He looks like when a cat gets thrown in a pool and comes out and looks pissed as fuck, like fuck. Yeah, it's like running down your... Guys, my hat got wet, alright? So I mean, I'm pretty dry. I mean, I'm pretty dry. Alright, I'm going in. Fuck this. Whew. Whew. No, this is how I drive my car.
We want some tacos.